Welcome to Natural Remedies with Grandma Hacks. Today, we have an incredible solution for banishing cellulite and soothing muscle pain using the power of rosemary. Stay tuned to learn how to make your own rosemary alcohol and say goodbye to cellulite for good. Don't forget to like and subscribe us for next great nature hacks. When fat cells accumulate, the skin loses its elasticity, giving rise to cellulite. This condition is quite common, affecting 90% of women and 10% of men. As a result, women often strive to combat this cellulite. Fatty, processed, fried foods, and caffeine are usually the main culprits behind cellulite. Fortunately, many natural medicine experts claim that this issue can be effectively treated using just a few healthy ingredients. Since cellulite mainly consists of cellular waste, fat, and water, it tends to appear on the hips, thighs, buttocks, and abdomen. Additionally, it creates a lumpy appearance on the skin with fat deposits beneath. This can cause significant discomfort for all women. Fortunately, the following health issue can be easily addressed with an amazing cellulite-fighting remedy: rosemary alcohol. This beneficial plant boasts potent healing properties, and the remedy is simple to prepare. It's best to grow your own if possible, but you can also purchase it from a nearby pharmacy or health store. Here are various health problems that rosemary can help you with. Cellulite. Joint and muscle pain, lumbago, sprains, rheumatism. Preventing hair loss. Neck pain. Cold and flu prevention. Circulation issues, heavy legs, varicose veins. Bumps and bruises. Here's how to prepare rosemary alcohol and bid farewell to cellulite. Ingredients: 1 sprig of rosemary, leaves and flowers. Alcohol, 4 wounds. 1 glass container. Preparation: start by taking a glass container and filling it with freshly picked rosemary. You can use the whole plant, but it's better to cut it into small pieces. Next, pour 96% alcohol, which can be found in pharmacies, over it. Finally, seal it and let it sit in a dark place for 15 days. You can leave it for up to 40 days, but 15 is sufficient. After 2 weeks, strain the mixture and pour it back into the same glass container. Usage: gently apply the mixture to your legs, thighs, or any area where you have cellulite. It's best to do this before bedtime and after your morning shower. Share this advice with others. Thank you.